Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will demonstrate you a simple chatbot which will help scheduling doctor's appointment. Let's imagine in a hospital there are few specialists, and in that scenario, this chatbot will help schedule appointment with right doctor. So let's begin. Let's see how to use it. First of all, here you can see it is asking for name. Okay, let's imagine the name of patient is Rahul Kumar. We have to wait a little bit for the response. Okay, now it is asking for age and gender. Age is 23 and gender is male. Actually, what question to ask, you can configure it. I configured to ask age and gender, also name. So let's begin. Here it is asking for what medical issue is facing. Okay, I'm just saying it hearing loss problem. It should recommend an ENT doctor for this. It says thank you for sharing information. Based on your issue, it's recommended ENT specialist Dr. Almond, and available time is 11 to 10:30. Is this suitable time? Yes. Okay, it's saying excellent, and the appointment is booked. Now I have to check the data. Here you see the patient name, and then specialist is Dr. Almond, the age of the patient, and the time schedule is 10 a.m. So here let's do one thing. I want to update the appointment time to 12 p.m. from 10 a.m. Let's see if this data changes when I update the time. Just for a second. Okay, it says sure, you can update your appointment time to 12. Is there anything else? Okay, let's see what the time is here. See, now it is updated to 12 p.m. So this is how this chatbot work. For now, I just have a JSON file here, but if you want to use this chatbot in real application, then you have to use a real database instead. So this is all for this video. If you like this, please like, and if you have any question, then you can comment me. Okay, so see you in my next video.